Oahu Real Estate Market Update for January 2024. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name's Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu, and on this channel, we explore real estate strategies to help you make better decisions when it comes to buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then, I'll share the local market info for each neighborhood. Before we dive in, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. Stick around to the end when I'll share my forecast for real estate in 2024. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 2,560 homes sold, a 26% drop from 2022. For condos, closed sales are down 28% to 4,573 homes sold compared to last year. This month saw a steep drop for single-family homes and a slight increase for condos compared to last month. The single-family home median sales price in December was $996,500, which is a 5% drop compared to 2022. Condos are at $510,000, a 1.5% increase from last year. Prices have started declining since last month for single-family homes and stayed relatively stable for condos. Single-family homes are now spending a median of 18 days on the market, which is 28% lower than last year. The median for condos is 26 days, which is a 24% increase from last year. New listings are currently at 180 single-family homes this month, which is a 10% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 349 condos this month, which is a 6% decrease from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have significantly declined compared to last month. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 182 homes, 8% higher than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are at 290 homes in escrow, which is less than 1% higher than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 2.8 months, while condo months of inventory increased to 3.2 months. Overall supply appears to be on an uptrend. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now 600 homes. For condos, active listings increased to 1,234, a 6% increase year-on-year. Both single-family homes and condos' active inventory have slightly dropped compared to last month. For single-family homes, the percentage of list price received is now 98%, while condos' percent of list price received is 98%. Condos have been on a downtrend since August. Single-family home sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 32% of total closed sales. About 98% of single-family home sales received full list price or more. Condos between $700,000 and $1 million accounted for 18% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 98% of condos sold at list price or higher, which is less than 1% lower than last year. Overall, prices remained stable year over year, while pending sales and new listings saw a slight decrease compared to last month. Now, let's take a look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year to date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou single-family home median price is now $1.8 million and is based on 63 closed sales. Days on market are now 17. For Moana, Kakaako, most of the inventory consists of condos. The median condo price is now $715,000, which is a 5% drop from last year. Days on market are 34 days. For downtown Nuuanu, the median single-family home price is now $1.124 million, and days on market are 19. Condo prices are now $560,000, and days on market are 22. For the Ewa Plain, single-family home median price dropped to $885,000, and days on market are 32. For condos, prices are now $678,500, and days on market are 17. For Hawaii, single-family home prices decreased to $1.51 million, and days on market are 15. For condos, prices have increased by 2% compared to last year, which is at 849,500 and 22 days on market. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home median price is now 1.6 million, and days on market are 15. For condos, the median price is now 754,500, and days on market are 13. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now 887,500, and days on market are 33. On the condo side, median price is now 410,000, and days on market are 19. For Kaneohe, the single-family home median price is now 1.168 million, and days on market are 13. For condos, the median price is now 680,000, and days on market are 16. For Kapahulu Diamond Head, the median single-family home price is 1.3 million, and days on market are 17. For condos, the median price has increased to 867,500, which is 33% higher than last year. Days on market are 21. For Makaha, Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is 670,000, and days on market are 40. Condo median price increased to 250,000, and days on market are 30. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is 1.02 million, and days on market are 25. For condos, the median price is 550,000, and days on market are 20. For Makiki, Moiliili, the median single-family home price is 1.52 million, and days on market are 18. For condos, the median price is at 408,000, and days on market are 17. The Mililani median single-family home price is now 1.06 million, and days on market are 18. For condos, median price is at 510,000, and days on market are 16. The Moanalua Salt Lake median single-family home price increased to 1.27 million, 6% higher than last year, while days on market are 10 days. For condos, the median price is now 443,000, and days on market are 12 days. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price decreased to 1.4 million, 20% lower than last year. Days on market are 22 days. For condos, the median price is 795,000, and days on market are 15. For Pro City Aiea, the median single-family home price is down to 975,000, 7% lower than last year. Days on market are 17 days. For condos, the median price is 465,000, and days on market are 14. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is 840,000, and days on market are 20. For condos, the median price increased to 320,000, which is 23% higher than last year, and days on market are 10 days. The Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is 2.4 million, and days on market are 35. For condos, the median price is 632,500, and days on market are 11. For Waikiki condos, median price is now 425,000, and days on market are 27. For Waipahu, median single-family home price is 920,000, and days on market are 21. For condos, the median price is 500,000, and days on market are 16. For the Windward Coast, median single-family home price is 1.1 million, and days on market are 24. For condos, the median price is 200,000, which is 52% lower than last year, and days on market are 11 days. Now, here's what I think will happen to the housing market in 2024. Unless something completely unexpected happens, we're looking at a positive trend. I'm predicting that the market will see more growth in 2024 compared to 23. Here's why. First up, mortgage rates. They're falling, and this is key. Some models predict that for every 1% drop in mortgage rates, there's an increase of 5 million potential homebuyers. That's huge, especially when you consider that there are less than 1.5 million homes listed for sale in the country. Next, let's talk about housing supply. It's not catching up with demand. Even with decreasing rates, models predict that the demand will soar way beyond the supply for resales. Plus, there's an 11% annual drop in the construction of single-family homes. And here's an interesting point. Even with rising unemployment, we don't expect a significant increase in delinquencies. Why? because most borrowers are in a strong position with good credit quality and solid home equity. Let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, guys, that's it for this month's market update. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, click the subscribe button, and the notification bell next to that. If you're ready to take the next step in making Oahu your home, reach out. Thank you so much for watching.